Hi students. Okay, well, I'm going to go over the writing section with you guys, and we will begin by making sure that we are all doing the same thing. So just pay attention, please. Okay, this week you're going to be writing about the Constitution. Your standard is to write informational text using relevant facts, definitions, concrete details, quotations, and other information and examples related to the topic. And your essential question is, what is informational text? How is the topic conveyed using purposeful formatting? How is relevant information used to develop strong writing? And how do you thoroughly examine a topic? So as I said, this week you will be writing a beginning paragraph for your essay on the United States Constitution, which means that you're only writing one paragraph, anywhere from 5 to 7 sentences. So what is the Constitution? It is the supreme law of the United States. When was the Constitution created? September 17th, 1787. And this is what it looks like. What is the Constitution made of? It is made up of 3 parts: the preamble, the 7 articles, and the amendments. So those are the 3 things that we will be writing about this week. Well, not just this week. This week we're only doing our introduction. So I put this video together to help you do your hook sentences and to help you write out your entire first paragraph. So first you will create your hook sentences. This is the anchor chart you will be using to write out your hook sentence. You can use a question, you can use an amazing fact, you can use an exclamation, you can use sound effect. But since we are doing actual facts of the Constitution, we're going to use the question and the amazing fact only. And this is where you're going to be writing your hook sentences. It should be on the first page of your writing. So, how to write your hook sentences. This is what you need. These are the 2 things you need to help you write your hook sentences. And then you type in your sentences in these parts on your writing assignment. So after writing your hook sentences, pick one to start with. So we're going to do 1. Did you know that the main law of the United States is the Constitution? Next one, let me tell you about the oldest document of the United States, the Constitution. So these 2 sentences you will be using in your writing. Your sentence starters, this is how this is what we're using to put our sentences together. So these are sentence starters. The top green section is the topic sentence. That's you use that for the first sentence in your writing. The very first sentence in your paragraph. The detail sentences, you use it for the next 3 sentences. You can use these to help you do your sentences. Closing sentences, you can use any of these to help you do the 5th sentence of your writing. So use the topic sentences with the hook sentences. Use the detailed sentences with the detailed sentences, and use the closing sentence with the last sentences of your paragraphs. So where are we going to put this? Sentence 1, after choosing the sentence that you want to use as your first sentence, put it on the essay outline page. This is the essay outline page. It should be in your writing pad. Type the sentence in the yellow section of the essay outline page. So that's where you're going to write your hook sentence. And I told you in the slide before to use the question. Use the question to write your hook sentence. So the one that you put in the question part, you're going to write that whole thing in here. What's next? You're still on this essay outline. So sentence 2, you will write when the Constitution was written and what the Constitution is. So we use details, sentence starters. One thing I know is that the Constitution was written on September 17th, 1787, and it is the supreme law of the United States. Sentence 3, you will write how many things make up the Constitution. It includes the preamble, the articles, and the amendments. Sentence 4, you will tell what you are going to write about. It is about this document that I will be telling you about the elements that make up our Constitution. Enter these sentences in the green section on 1, 2, and 3 and leave number 4 blank. So that sentence is going to go in there, that sentence is going to go in there, and that sentence is going to go in there. Okay, easy, right? I hope you guys are really realizing how this is going, because next quarter you're going to be doing this on your own. So please pay attention to the way this is all going. Closing sentence. The closing sentence is the blue section of this essay outline. For the closing sentence, choose from the sentence starter sheet. You conclude your first paragraph by telling what all the other sentences really mean altogether. So basically, you are summarizing what you wrote in the other sentences. So this is what I came up with. Clearly, the Constitution is a law that covers our rights as United States citizens. So that is your 5th sentence. When you have completed this, write all the sentences together in one paragraph and submit it. Make sure that you keep a copy of this paragraph. Write this paragraph in your notes, in one of your notebooks, because you will be putting all these paragraphs together after 5 weeks to make one complete essay. So that sentence is going to be written in there. When you are done, you can write it all out in your notebook, or you can type it out on the last page of your writing packet, and make sure you indent on the first line. Indent means that you push that tab key on the left-hand side, right by the letter Q. It says tab, T-A-B. Click on that one time, then start writing all these sentences together. So I hope that this helps. Pay attention on how we formulated the sentences, because this is not the only time you're going to be doing this kind of writing. You will be doing it throughout the whole year. And if you don't get it now, just imagine how hard it's going to be if you don't get it. So we have all kinds of other writing to do. So I am doing my best to try and show you guys how to do each paragraph. And if you have any questions, you can ask your teachers for help. They are always more than willing to help. So that is it, kids. And thank you for listening to this presentation.